You know, being here all these years, man, I realized something. The ones that are going extra hard comes from nothing. I don't want to be mean, but that's the true way, right? That's the ones that get in trouble with. The ones who are like taking care of their life, taking care of their business, handling life responsibly. Man, that's really the ones that you want to get into the mix with, right? I mean, something like this right here. See how these guys are like bending over backwards to give extra service. For you big girl lovers. Time when they top everything, got no behind. That one got a little bit of something behind though. Sure. Not bad. Copyright music blast. God damn. Nice. Damn, the district capital, and we're deep in it. I don't want to talk too much when I'm around other people, man. Yeah, it's interesting, man. You take a little right turn, left turn, not completely sure where you're going, and here's where you end up. Let me tell you guys, I'm really in the hood of Santo Domingo. I know it is. No idea what neighborhood this is. Yeah. You guys really want to see how the real life is. Big cities, this is it. I'm gonna walk in these places here. You don't know where you're going, you might end up in the wrong spot. You see what happens. What trouble can we get into? What trouble can I get into?
Mira, Jane, el carro de tu papá. Un carro azul rayó el carro de tu papá.
The thing about the barrios is a lot of times people know each other. Thank God this is Santo Domingo, where it's bigger. I stand up. It could also be just a new Haitian in the area, right? I think this is the end right there, so I'll double back. That don't lead anywhere. Yeah, fellas. Definitely weird. Okay. Came out of nowhere. Man, she just popped out to a little side alleyway. Didn't even see her coming. Well, pregnant lady and a disabled lady. No trouble to get into over there. And they treat them differently. And where most of us end up grabbing up the, everything hanging out, everything showing out, might be doing this, might be doing that. These guys are like, that's the type that I'm gonna have up in the house. They're gonna just go to the decent job. They're gonna go to the university, or it might be the housewife. Gonna go to church on Sunday with the family. Gonna be cool with the in-laws. And I realize, man,